Hey everyone, welcome to the Kinzua Bridge State Park in northwestern Pennsylvania. Today we're going on a super cool adventure to explore the Kinzua Skywalk. Ready to learn some fun facts and see amazing views? Let's go! Did you know the Kinzua Viaduct was once considered the eighth wonder of the world? It was a marvel of engineering when it was first constructed. But guess what? In 2003, something really wild happened. A huge tornado with winds as fast as a racing car came roaring through. In just 2 minutes, the powerful winds knocked down 11 of the viaduct's 20 towers. Can you imagine that? And speaking of views, let's take a look around. From up here, you can see miles of beautiful forests and rolling hills. Today, the skywalk was built on 6 of the massive steel towers that remained after the tornado. The Kinzua Skywalk extends 624 feet into the Kinzua Gorge, offering panoramic views. The walkway has a set of railroad tracks leading to the end, which has a partial glass floor at 225 feet above the valley floor. Visiting the Kinzua Skywalk is an exciting chance to walk the tracks across the sky. And don't miss the glass bottom part. When you walk on it, you can look straight down into the gorge below. It's like walking on air. So cool. Now let's talk about these tracks. The Kinzua Bridge was originally a railroad bridge built way back in the 1882. It was so strong it could carry super heavy trains. That's why we see 2 sets of tracks here. The inner set was for safety because high winds made crossing dangerous. If a train jumped the outer track, the inner track would catch the wheels. Even if in good weather, trains crossed at only 5 miles per hour. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.